Guys, do I look different? I should look different because my hair is currently tied up. You heard me. Look at this. Look at that. Look. What? Oh my god, it's been so long since I've been able to tie up my own hair. So if you didn't know, I am actually growing my hair out. I've had it short for a really long time. I usually get sick of it and chop it, so here's hoping I actually let it grow out, but I'm very excited the fact that I can get it back. Oh, the whole head came off. So guys, this is the a whole dried squid. It basically tastes like, it smells like rotting fish, like when you walk down the jetty, and it just smells like that fish smell, but taste-wise, it just tastes slightly fishy and like jerky, fruit leather type consistency. It's not so bad. What do you think?
It really is just, it's harder to eat, but it's not bad.